Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. This is my April Ipsy Glam bag. We're going to be unboxing it, reviewing it, giving away one of the items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Glam Light Wine Palette. Look at these pretty purples. This is my palette. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. I'll talk about how to enter this one. Giveaway is really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here. Like today, I'm filming 3 giveaways just today. As far as what is on my eyes today is the Glam Light Margarita palette. I don't know why I love saying margarita that way. Margarita. Mirror on this side, and she kind of looks like that. Such fun shades. So the Ipsy Glam bag's $14 per month. It's beauty, makeup, skincare type of item. Sometimes there's a hair care item in there as well. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any of the add-ons that I want to do. And their add-ons are really good, you guys. I found Natasha Denona palettes in their add-ons. So their add-ons are really, really good. Anyway, that code is in the description box if you would like to use it. Thank you. Obviously, no obligation to do so. So let's jump in, find out what's in here. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. How cute is this little fuzzy peach? Super, super cute. It is a makeup bag. And this peach is your zipper pull. And all the products are inside here. Just have kind of this orange interior. Oh, this is so, so cute. Has a little tag here. It says Ipsy. So what Ipsy says is this month we are stepping out of hibernation and into the sunshine with Earth Day inspired glam bag featuring a blue and white striped cotton bag. Cotton canvas. That's the cutest peach-shaped pom-pom zipper. This breezy bag is the epitome of spring, plus it's packed with glow-giving makeup, vitamin-rich skincare, and so much more. The first item in here is from Ace Beauty. It's a blushed up liquid blush in pastel persimmon. And here's what she kind of looks like on the inside. It is a deluxe mini. It says, get all blushed up with a soft peach liquid blush. The pigmented and blendable formula gives you control of the instantly, allowing you to effortlessly accentuate your natural features however you want. Beauty. From Chica Beauty is a mini Fiesta eyeshadow palette. It does retail for $15. This is a full-size eyeshadow palette, you guys. This eyeshadow palette is inspired by the San Antonio's vibrant Fiesta week. So you know it brings the color, mix and match shades like Sangria, Churro, and Downtown to create your very own look in honor of the culture, colors, and joy that San Antonio has to offer. I know that my son was looking at a grad school down there in San Antonio. I've never been. Have you guys been to San Antonio? I've always wanted to go to their boardwalk. Looks like this. I mean, it is a smaller palette and the shades are a lot smaller, but here is what it should look like. You can easily do neutrals, add a pop of color as well. You guys, I absolutely love this. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So the full size of this retails for $52. Obviously this is a deluxe mini. And Thirsty Skin, the super moisturizing yet ultra light gel cream is here to help increase hydration to your complexion. Locks and feels supple and smoother. Formulated with marine and powerful plant actives, including Padina pavonga that helps plump and moisturize, chloral, a high in antioxidants, and ginkgo biloba, an antibacterial. It also works to help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I've used this. I've had a full size of this. This stuff is amazing. From Neogen Dermatology is a vitamin eye cream. Obviously this is a deluxe mini. Skin around your eyes feeling a little meh. That's where this rich eye cream comes in. It contains peptides to help restore elasticity, plump, and reduce the look of wrinkles around the eyes. And the gel cream formula helps leave your skin feeling soft, dewy, and last item in here is from Otocytes, a brightening serum, vitamin C and E, and hyaluronic acid. I mean, things like this are really good for everybody traveling. Hopefully traveling a little bit this summer. So this is obviously deluxe mini serum. It's dark spots. Where are your dark spots? This powerhouse serum wants your skin to be as bright and even as possible. It contains a potent fusion of squalene, hyaluronic acid, and encapsulated vitamin C to help visibly brighten and even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and fight oxidative damage from free radicals. Sounds pretty good. I mean, for $14, that's a pretty good box. I mean, this alone had a $15 value. Obviously, my favorite item in here by far was this LMS Marine Cream. Love, love, love this thing. My tulips are starting to bloom out there. So let's do the secret word, be tulip. Let's give away that Neogen eye cream. I just have so many and it would just sit there, and I'd much rather give away this to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once, and make sure to put on your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. So you only fill out the form once, but you can put on it your, if you did do the bonus entries, so you fill out the form once, you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is there's 4 ways to get them. Number 1, you can follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. Your fourth way is if you share this with your family and friends, social media accounts. It really helps out the channel when you guys do that, and I really appreciate it so much. I wanted to get back a way to say thank you to guys for doing that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through May 17th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then May 22nd. What I'll do is I'll take, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the forms, on the bonus entries, put those in the computer, and I'll take first name, first initial, last name, put them in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very, very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just helps out with the mailing of the prizes to the winners. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you guys do. I hope that you're having a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!